Forest Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Latah County in the panhandle of Idaho, northwestern Nez Perce County in north central Idaho, southeastern Whitman County until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Clarkston, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pullman, Moscow, Genesee, Colton, Uniontown, and Joel. This includes yourself. Highway 95 in Idaho between mile markers 319 and 326, and between mile markers 329 and 352.